So what's up, you guys? Yeah. What's up, Alex Diamond Blue Gang? Gang. Shit. Today we got the noodles, we got the eggs, and we got some sausages. They not breakfast sausages. They just I don't know shit. It's some kind of broth sausages. And the noodles we working with today is uh, thumbnail. Anyway, guys, they got a few things to go with this shit. So yeah, what's been up with you guys? Shit, ain't been too much with me. Probably should pour all this shit on there at the same damn time. Yeah, I don't even know what this is. Let's just say sea. Is that some sea salt? I ain't never seen no shit like that. Seriously, boy. God damn it. One more. And I don't know what this is. I just hope this shit ain't too hot. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Shit, I'm so sorry guys about that motherfucking smoke alarm. I can't cut that bitch off for nothing. And I know y'all hear it every motherfucking video. Every video. Yeah. Bitch hard. And I don't even know what this is. I just hope this shit ain't too hot. I just really hope it's not too hot. Cause I don't even know. Like, for real. I don't even know. This is my first time eating these noodles. This is my first time eating these. And I ain't gonna say like I've been saying that I'm hungry, because I'm not even that hungry for real. I just wanted to see how fast. That's it. Shit. So I might as well have a little bite. Shit. So yeah, what's up? What's been up with you guys out there? Shit. Not too much for me. Shit. Oh yeah, I listened to that Press song by Cardi B. That motherfucker, damn man. And guys, it's a fucking Friday night, bitch. I am not usually in no house Friday nights. This shit new. This shit. I've been, it ain't that new, but shit. I'm improving. I'm doing better. Shit, but I miss going out. I do. I miss going out. I ain't gonna fucking lie. Shit, especially when my daughter gone. It's time for mama to turn up when it's happening. Shit. Oh, shit. Motherfucker hot. I made a mistake. I was trying to eat some egg. Made a motherfucking mistake. Put one of them in my mouth, and that's what it was. Oh, shit, man. Don't start with me, baby. Got that almond milk on standby. I'm gonna go get me a glass so I can pour this shit in. Hold on, guys. So, yep. Got the Speedway cup. Shit. Because I love fucking Speedway. I do. Shit. Where my motherfucking coupons at? Just give me my motherfucking coupons. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. And also, I eat ice. Shit. Keep them motherfucking cups. Keep them cups. And, your ass gonna be, you can get you some free motherfucking ice if you like ice. I love ice. Oh, oh, shit. Oh, goddamn. I wanted some mild shit, man. I'm gonna stop trying all this new shit, bro. I'm gonna stop. New shit heal your ass. Right? But yo, as I was saying, shit. And goddamn. As I was fucking saying, on weekends, like it's Friday. On weekends, my ass be out, like, get this shit out. Um, 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 Weekends, I be out with my friends, shit. But lately, I've been in the fucking house chilling. Like, every time I feel like I want to fucking go out, I just do a motherfucking crunk ass motherfucking, mukbang on your ass. And plus, I've been missing, missing y'all, missing y'all, motherfucker. But yeah, y'all heard that song, "Pressed" by Cardi B. That motherfucker jamming. I just wanna go to the club just to hear that bitch. I'm gonna be on that. Like, damn, who that bitch? Yeah, but shit. When I go to the club, when I go out and I step out, I do not step out to meet no bitches for real. Cause I just be thinking they be them bitches' lives. Um, just they be them bitches' lives. Like shit. Like bitch, this how you do, bitch. If I come here every weekend, bitch, if I see you every weekend, bitch, I'm not gonna fool with you. Period. Period. Cause I'm gonna think, damn shit, this bitch ain't got no life. This bitch probably got 7 kids. Motherfuckers at home. Got her oldest child watching them whole. I mean, watching their ass. The oldest child, which is a teenager.